Hello, name Mar. English Class Word Level 1. Instructora Nelva Concepción Angulo Valdez. Video presentation. My favorite person. Today I'm going to introduce my son. His name is Santiago. He is 8 years old. He is Colombian. His was born in Cibate. His birthday is September 7th. He lives in Cibate. Occupation. He is a student. He is student at General Santander School. He is student from Monday to Friday. Hobbies. He likes to eat ice cream and plays video games. He doesn't like salt or beers. Characteristics. He is very cheerful and affectionate. He is responsible. Thanks for watching my video. See you later. Adiós.